it. But now if I hear it again, so it wouldn't be that much interesting. Because like I already heard it. Good morning, ma'am.
Yeah, good morning to everyone. Am I visible? Yes. Okay.
Good morning.
It must be tiring for you people, right? Which class you had now?
We had in life skills.
Okay. It ended right now, okay?
Yeah.
Yeah, I tried to log in, but meeting was going on.
Good morning, ma'am.
Good morning, Amara.
Good morning.
Yes.
Ma'am, can you play game?
Which game you want to play?
Let's say
Yeah.
let's say the AB one.
Which one?
The AB, the Simon Says one.
Okay. There is Mariam. Okay. Simon says stand up. Amir, did you get up? Okay. Simon says give a big smile. Big smile. Big smile. Mariam, that's not big. Mariam, that's not big. Big smile. Show me your teeth. Let me see how many of you brushed today. Okay. Simon says clap. Today clapping. Clap. Stop. Simon says fast. Fast clap. Clap fast. Stop. Simon says stop. Simon says stop. Simon says jump. Jump. Jump at your place. Yes, jump. Stop. Simon says so, stop. Simon says sing. Sing. Amir, you're muted. How can I? Stop. Stop. La 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 la. Muspira is la 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 la. Simon says drink water. Simon says drink water.
Nobody, because this is not a log weekend, no, so anybody.
Wow, only Muspira could. Muspira, take a breath. Muspira, drink water 3 times, okay? Okay, Amir also did, Khatija also did. Nice. What's wrong with Zainab's audio? Oh my God, look at Khatija's. That's not bottle, I guess. Okay, even Mariam got it.
I drank real water. Everybody drank knuckly water. Okay, now everybody is drinking real water.
Okay, okay. What happened, Amir? What happened? What happened?
I just burped.
Okay, you just burped. Now next, Simon says, laugh. Laugh, 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 laugh. Stop, stop, stop. Why did you stop? Simon says stop. Stop. Good morning, Muspira. Good morning. How are you?
Well, that was kind
Simon
of
says now
weird.
sit down. That's enough. Let's sit down. Okay?
I sat down, Kapka.
Sit down. Yes. Musfira, turn on your camera. I have Zainab. I think Zainab has issue. Good morning, Ian.
Ma'am, this is a big bottle. It's my dad.
Oh, it's quite big.
One minute, I'm
Quite big. Yeah. Ian, good morning. Ian, what happened, Amir? Ian, good morning.
Good morning, ma'am.
Good morning, Musfira.
Congratulations, Simon says or not.
No.
Good morning, ma'am.
Wait, how many Musfiras? Two are there, na? Okay. She just changed the picture. Okay. Okay. Last time, what did we do in ICT? What did we do? Who will tell me in last class? What did we do? If you know the answer, unmute yourself and answer me.
Excel. No, computers.
Excel sheet.
We have done.
Computers.
Excel sheet. We have done. Long time ago, Excel sheet is done.
We did it like we was drawing mouse and
Yes.
he was drawing mouse and he was saying that mouse.
Yes. What else? Did I ask you to design a game? Did I ask you to do that?
No. Yes.
Are you sure?
Design
The
a game.
rules of the game. Which game? Remember, try to recollect.
Yes. My fashion show game.
I have given you hide and seek. I told you my game would be hide and seek. What will be your game? And what will be the rules of the game?
I was chess.
Yes, Ian's was chess. And what was Musfira made it her own game. Yes. So why do you think, why have asked you to make a game? Anyone? Why have asked you to make a game?
Because you want us like
Good morning, Zainab. What's problem with your connectivity issue, beta? From when you were trying to connect and now you got connected. I have seen that. You facing any issue or what, Zainab? No. From long you were trying to connect and now you got connected. That's why I asked you. Okay. All well? Fine. So my question to you is, Zainab was not there in the last session. So I think she missed that part. I've just asked you. She was not well. She was not keeping well. Yeah. So, I asked you, what's that? What kind of voice noise that was? What was that?
from Zainab only it's coming. Yes.
No, it's from Amara.
It is
Amara, it's from Amara. It's not from Zainab. Okay? Yeah. So last time I have asked you. Everyone first mute yourself. Mute yourself. Muted? Okay. Khatija, what do you want to say? Yeah, Khatija. Yeah,
Tomorrow I'm going to my nanny's house.
okay, lovely. Lovely. Weekend will start now. Anyways, next week you'll get a vacation. Good morning, Ali. Ali, come sit at your place. I can only, the view of the AC is very good, Ali, you know. I have seen that AC so many times. Now I want to see you. Okay, Ali? Yeah.
Teacher wants to ask the question. She has raised her hand.
Yeah. Now, my question to you is, why did you, Zainab, what did we do? We have, last time, we have not done anything related to computers. We just did a small task. What was it? Like making a game. Which game you want to form? Like which game, what will be the rules of it? So if you, Ian has taken chess. I have taken hide and seek. What, Ali, what did you take? Which game did you take? Yeah, Ali.
Chats.
What?
Chatting. Emojis.
Emojis. Amara, what did you take?
Ma'am, I think lock and key.
Yes, yes. Amara, what about you? Mariam said.
Shukla.
Amara didn't remember. So, Zainab, Amir, Mariam, my question to you is, why did you ask? I asked you for the game. Anyone? No one?
To play.
To play. So I will play with.
Your own rules. Yes. Yes.
Yeah. Though she
To
was not there, but she's trying. Yeah. Yeah, Zainab, what are you saying?
Make your own rules and make the game different.
True, true. But why did I ask you? That is my question.
To design.
Look, there
To
must be
learn
some
to
kind of
design
purpose
a
there.
game.
In ICT,
Learn
in
to
ICT
design
class,
a game.
I'm asking you for the game. So, what is the purpose?
Because in every game, to design a game.
Yeah, Amir, what is your answer?
Ma'am, yeah, design a game.
Very nice. To design a game. But where we will design? Playing outdoor or indoor games?
Ma'am, game and then.
Yes, but where will we design? This is which class? This is which class? Tell me.
ICT.
Yes. So anyone has seen any software or any application wherein you can make games, you can make animation? Anyone? No one?
Yeah.
Yeah, I knew you would have. And I know the software which you use. Which one? And I'm going to use that only.
There is one software.
Amir, tell me.
From that we can make a games.
I'm not saying we have to play the game. I'm saying we have to make the game or animation.
Yes,
You get the difference. In computer
My
class,
brother
you
knows
have
that
to
application.
learn. You have to learn how
forgot the
the
name.
game is prepared. Yeah.
Ma'am, my brother knows that application. I forgot the name
Okay.
of that.
Scratch. Very nice. Lovely. Scratch. How many of you has used Scratch? Have you heard about Scratch?
Ma'am, Mariam Khan, I use Scratch.
Okay. You use Scratch?
I don't use fully. I am trying to make anything. My sister knows how to use Scratch.
Amara, what
I
about
am
Zainab knows it? Musfira knows this. Musfira Rizwani. Ian, what about you? Amir knows this. Amara?
Ma'am, what is Scratch?
Okay.
Scratch means in Scratch we will make a game.
Okay. Okay. But kids, you are too small.
Scratch
to
is
make a
one
game.
application.
Listen to me. You're too small to
I also know.
for games. First, we will start with the normal animation part. Okay, little bit. We'll start with the little. I'm like the easiest part. Okay. So first, how do you go on Scratch? Amara, Scratch. Amara, let me
Open your computer.
there are few people who don't know what is Scratch. So I want everyone to know the Scratch. And don't worry, I will ask you to also do it. Okay. So look, Amara, Scratch is a software which allow the kids to make what? Games, to make animations through coding. Okay, I'll teach you.
Can
Yeah,
you open your screen?
What happened?
We want to learn.
Amara, you didn't understand? Okay, I'll just show you what it is. Then you will understand. It's just a software where you can play, you can make games. Have you understood this? In computers, if you want to make a game, you didn't? Okay, now see the software and then you'll understand. Zainab, where did you go? Then we will have a quiz session. Huh? After, I guess, 25 quiz session. Computers. Yes. Should we start? Okay, now.
Ma'am,
Yeah.
Khadija, can I,
Screen is visible to everyone. My screen is visible to everyone.
Yes, ma'am.
Okay.
Yes, ma'am.
Even if you have not downloaded Scratch, it's okay. Look, even I have not downloaded, I'll download it now. So I am going to the website. Look, what am I doing? I have just clicked on the Google Chrome, showing you from the starting color. That's my page. Then I'll search it over here. Amara, please look it carefully. Scratch official website. Can you see this? The moment you will type it, you will get it. Just click on the first link. Did you click? And after that, create. This is the website. Look, Amara, before this, you can create games, you can create stories. What is Scratch? You can stories, games, animations. Okay, so this is
Okay,
the
ma'am.
Scratch. Yeah, have you understood now?
Ma'am,
Yeah.
I have to click watch video, join or start.
No.
Right.
Strange. Look. Moment you will type on Google Scratch. Wait. I'll explain. you
Yes,
again.
I'm talking about this only.
Yeah. This Scratch.
one
You go on the first link.
I
Okay, Amara.
have play also.
Okay. Look. Now go to create part. Okay, Amara. Create part. Then you will come to one interface. Wait, I'll show you.
It's loading, ma'am.
Yes. Close this. Now this is visible to everyone.
Yes,
this
ma'am.
Yes, I know this.
Yes.
Yes.
Now
I
first,
have play also.
how many of you know about this? How many of you know about this? Raise your hand. How many of you? How
Madhyam Khan.
Okay. Zainab, Musfira, Ali, very nice.
Ma'am, I understood.
Okay.
I have play also, not just
Yes.
see.
ठीक है,
I
ठीक है.
know.
I don't have. Okay.
I don't know this.
Yeah, but listen first. What am I saying? Now, what is it called? First, I'm teaching you this part. This is called what? The stage. Amara? Okay, you have done it now. Chalo. Zainab, I want you to answer. What is this cat? The character in the stage is called? Think, it's okay. Even if you don't know, look, we are here to learn. You don't know, you tell me, ma'am, I don't know. It's okay. Anyone else?
But I forgot.
Yes, you have to remember this. In this, you have to remember because we are starting.
Cat one.
Anyone? Amir,
Right.
tell me what.
Cat one.
Amir, what is
Right.
it? Very
Cat
nice.
one.
Can you see? No, it's not number. It is sprite. Amara, what the character on the stage? Sorry, on the stage is called what? Sprite. You can change the character. I don't want cat. This is a cat. Can you see this? It's a cat.
I
I
know.
don't want this.
But
What will I
cat
do?
is more nice.
No. I'll take some other. It's up to me, na. First, let me show what all is there, Ali. First, let me show. Okay, in the scratch.
So you have to do bin, right?
Yes. Now,
And then
Amara.
click that.
Amara, look, what you'll do. Can you see over here? Can you see
Yes,
this
ma'am.
icon? Choose a sprite.
Yes, ma'am.
Go to this. Click on this. Then
Okay,
what
ma'am.
you will get? What you'll get? Look, there are so many characters. You can select anyone. Can
Ma'am, you go on food.
whichever you want? Whichever you want. You want food? Let's take food. It came. Okay.
Very nice chips.
Food
Yes.
will play.
Now what else do you want? You want any people? Let me-
I want some sports.
What should I do? Ballerina. Okay, let's take ballerina. Ballerina dancing in front of the food. Very nice. Moment she saw the food, she starts dancing. Look. Okay. Amara, did you understood this? Amara?
Yes.
Yes. Now I will teach you how to select the background. Now, look at this. Can you see this icon? The image
Yes,
icon. Background over here means background draw. So tell me, what do you want to choose? There are so many.
Bedroom two. Bedroom.
How the cake will be
I
placed
want
in food in the
colorful city.
bedroom. Okay, bedroom.
Bedroom two.
Look, Amara, did you see? Did you see, Amara, what happened? And others also. Can you see? In this way,
Yes,
I wrote short stories, but this was just about this character, that is Sprite, and about what? Okay, she's standing in front of food. That's bad.
Ma'am, put the food on the table. Put the
Yes,
food
yes.
on the table.
Okay, I put it. Bus. It's appeared to
Yes.
be.
Oh, it's a bed.
It's a bed.
It's
Table.
Is it
Yes,
fine?
yes, yes.
This table, this is a dressing table. Wait, what's
See,
happening?
there is a size of it.
Yes,
Can
yes.
you change the size? It's on 100. You
Everybody
can
mute
put.
yourself. Everybody mute yourself.
Ma'am, Amara, but I wanted colorful city. Colorful
Okay,
city.
wait.
Ma'am,
The what
Yeah.
about colorful city?
like I don't know a little about this game.
Yeah, it's okay now. We are here to learn only, beta. Don't worry. Okay. Look, Zainab. that
it is
is
a
the
game
reason-
or it is software to make games?
Yes,
It
it's a
is
software.
creating
Zainab,
game.
listen, Zainab, Amara, and everyone. First, have you understand what are we going to do in Scratch? We can create
Yes,
stories.
ma'am,
we
I
can create this.
understood.
But listen,
I
kids,
also understood.
what's wrong with you? First, listen to me, na. What am I saying to you? What?
Ma'am, first go on this one, go on this one.
First, mute everyone. First, everyone mute. This is like getting very distracting for me. Okay. Now, here just I'm teaching you what is a sprite, what is the backdrop, how you can create a stage. Okay, everyone got it? How you will go to this thing on this character? You choose a sprite. Click on this. Okay, and if you don't want any character, any sprite, just click on this delete button. Can you see over here? Okay, today I'll just give you today I'll just tell you what all is there in the software. And next time we'll create a short story or small animation. Okay, and whoever knows it can get it for me. Can get it. How they have created. Now, can you see over here the backdrop button? This is
Ask a question about
yes.
I want to ask
Now
a
look.
question about it.
Yeah, Zainab, tell me what is it?
Does it only happen on the laptop or it will happen on the tab also?
It will be there because I'm going on the website, beta. Have you seen? I have not downloaded the software.
But I
But I
use
Go
tab.
on the website. Okay. I will teach you how to save the file and everything. But today is our first session. Have patience. How can I teach you everything today? Okay. Now look, Amara, my cheesy puff size was very big. So what did I do? I just clicked on this. You have to select the sprite in which you're bringing the changes. You go to the size and change it. Like let's make it 100 once again. And just click on this, entered. I
Oh,
entered, got big.
ma'am, make it medium size.
Yes. Should I take it 57? Is it fine or 50?
Yes.
Yes,
Now
57.
entered. Is it fine now? And place it
Yes,
down.
yes.
Yes. Now place it down.
Yes.
Have you understood how to change the size of a sprite?
Ma'am, Amara, I didn't wanted bedroom. I wanted colorful city.
Beta, we will do it that next time. But today, let me explain you all the things in the Scratch.
Ma'am,
Otherwise,
can
I
you
can't
do
go to
the
other part.
girl size big? Can you do the girl size
Yes.
big?
How can we do that? Go to ballerina. Select
We
the
will go to like
150.
100. There is 100. We will
Look.
go and
Can you see how I do it? First, you have to see how I'm doing it. Don't see how much big she's getting, how small she's getting it. Just see how I made her big.
180.
Yes. What did I do?
Do it 180.
Musfira Rizwani, tell me what
You
did I do?
clicked on ballerina,
Yeah.
then it got to this, then you put the number, then the ballerina.
Yes. But you have to,
got-
Amara, Mariam, tell me how many characters are there? How many sprites I have taken?
2.
Yes. So whichever size you want to change, you have to click on that. If you are on cheesy puff and you're doing changes over here, your cheesy puff size will change. And if you are on ballerina, you'll change the number over here. What will happen? The size of ballerina will change. Okay. Is that clear to everyone? Is that clear? So this was
Yes,
all
ma'am.
about the sprite
Yes, ma'am.
and the backdrop. Now what is this? If I want to see my stage properly, look, what did I do? What did I do, Amara or the others? What did I do?
Ma'am could not see.
Yes.
You
Can
put
see this button?
that
Can you see this button?
button.
Yes.
Yes.
Just increase it. Your stage will appear. Your stage will appear bigger. I mean, the only stage part will come over here. Is it done? Now, what about this? This was all about the stage, sprite, and backdrop part. Now, about the coding.
Can you do customize it?
Okay. Now, we will go to Musfira Sayyed. Where are you roaming? Musfira Sayyed. I will ask you questions, huh? Once I'm done this.
Ma'am, I'm on Scratch. I'm on scratch only.
Okay, she's on scratch. She went on scratch. Okay. Now look here. Amara, can you see all this? Code, costume, sound. Can you see this? Amara and everyone who haven't seen scratch before.
Yes.
Ian, are you understanding, Ian? Yeah, Ian.
Ma'am.
Okay.
Yes, ma'am.
Code, costumes, and sounds. Look, costumes here means, I'm not going to code first. Let me first explain you
No,
costumes.
it's pointed from only and
Yeah. Now keep some little common sense. Food ka costume I don't want to change because food ka costume what I'll change. Let's go to ballerina. I want to
You
change.
can
the
change
costume
the
of
bowl colors.
You want to change the food color? You want to change?
No.
No, bowl color. Bowl
Bowl color. Bowl
Okay, bowl color. Okay, bowl color. So select on that sprite. What color do you want?
Pink.
blue.
10 to the power 11.
Pink.
10 to the power 11.
Ma'am,
No.
purple, please.
Pink.
Ma'am,
Pink.
purple.
Ma'am, pink.
Blue, green will do?
No, pink.
Okay, wait. There is a wait, huh? Where is the brush? Yeah,
Ma'am, how did you select that
yeah,
bowl?
yeah, sorry, yeah, sorry. Look, what did I do? Wait, I'll show you.
How did you select that bowl?
Yeah,
I can't understand.
wait.
there is a cheese buffet at ballerina.
Wait, now I'm showing you. You wait. Look. This was your previous interface. What did I do? Which color, which costume I want to change? Tell me which costume I want to change. Cheese.
Blue.
Cheese.
Now
Cheese.
click on this. I click on this. Okay.
Did you get the cheesy that I'm
Go to
asking? How
costume.
did you get the cheesy?
Now look. What's your question, Musfira? What's your question?
How did you get the cheesy from
Because you
where?
were not paying attention. That is why you don't know how to get the cheesy puff. Amara will tell. Amara, are you there? How did I get the cheesy puff over here? What did I select?
You went.
Yes.
Let me tell, ma'am. You went on this.
Tell me.
You
Yes.
went. You clicked
Yes.
on this. Then you
Right.
find
Yes.
all this.
Then what
Then
happened?
whatever you want, you have to click on it, and you will
Yes.
get the
So
correct
from here,
answer.
Musfira, I selected cheesy puff. Have you got it, Musfira? Say
You can go on food. You can go on
One
food,
more-
so you
one
will
more
got
cheesy
so
puff I have. Yes, one more cheesy,
puff.
but I'll delete one.
Okay, ma'am.
Because I'll delete one. I don't want two. So go to costume now. I am going to change the color of the bowl of cheesy puff. So I'm not in the code part. Go to costume. Okay. I don't want ballerina. I want cheesy puff. So come here. Click on cheesy puff. This thing bowl. Are you understanding? Look. Now what am I doing? Go to color.
Can you change the color of bowl?
Yeah, that's what I'm doing.
Yes.
That's what I'm showing you. Now.
Ma'am, make it pink color.
I'm taking pink color. You have to look. You have to go on this, click on this, and keep selecting which color. Why there is no green? Which color do you want? Which color?
Ma'am,
This
blue,
color.
blue,
only.
blue.
This is better.
Yellow.
Now look, kids. If this you will take this one now, so this will make the color in dots. I want the whole bowl should be in green. Go for this too. Can you see this? Fill. Go to this too.
Ma'am, this color.
Ma'am, please color is pink.
Ma'am, the ball is not the whole wallpaper.
Didn't color the bowl, but you colored the whole wall.
Wait.
Ma'am, this color is better. This one.
And pink color is better, ma'am.
This color is better.
Saturation.
Wow.
No, I don't want this color. I want to be filled by airbrush. Why this not getting filled? Just give me this. I'm deleting this. I'm going again on this and I'm selecting the cheesy puff. Okay? Where is my cheesy puff?
Ma'am,
search it over here. Look, even if you don't want to search, you can just type.
Ma'am, please put apple.
Yes. Wait. We are on changing the costume. Go to
Ma'am,
costume.
your voice is really low.
Yes,
How
ma'am,
can
your
I
voice is
make
very
her?
low.
Now, how can I make her move 60 degrees?
Will you wait? First, we have to change the color.
Go in size and then tap the
Oh, it
size.
gets fulfilled. Okay. What happened?
Ballerina is.
Ma'am, can I also try that?
Ma'am, can you?
This is how it
can
gets
you
filled.
do a little
No, it's
bit?
happening with ballerina. I don't know what's the problem with the bowl. Look, can you see? When I take this airbrush, look, fill. It's got changed into this color. Can you see this?
Ma'am,
Can you
ma'am,
see
can
this,
you talk
everyone?
little bit loud
I
because
can take
do
any
not-
other color over here. Okay? I can take any other color.
Understand how did you make the ballerina come here so you can change the color? I can't understand.
Okay, Musfira. Wait, I have to explain you again. Look. You understood how did I get the backdrop? Everyone?
Ma'am, you got the background from the.
By what? Yes, by what?
By the. Yes, by
okay.
over there.
Now go to Sprite. Okay? Go to Sprite. What do I want? Search here. I want cheesy puff.
I want Abby.
Yes. So in this way I got it over here. Simple. I can keep this on table. Now what will
Ma'am, why do you always take cheesy puff?
because okay, what do you want me to take? I want to explain you the tools, beta.
cheesy bow, or you can say
Put apple.
Okay, let me take apple. Okay, let me take apple.
Ma'am, I think you're hungry because you are taking
No,
food.
beta,
You can
Zainab,
go on
you say
food
whatever
also.
you people are saying. I'm
Ma'am, you can put on where is mirror now? There you can put it.
okay, I can
Where is
put it.
mirror now?
Look,
Ma'am,
I
can
can the
you
size.
increase
And
your voice?
it is 100. Can you do 50?
And
No, you can do 50.
Bus, is
Ma'am,
it Musfira Sayed? Are you understanding? Musfira?
ma'am, I can't hear you. Your voice is really low.
Yes, ma'am, your voice is very low.
How did you get the thing on the screen where there is written move, turn,
Musfira,
Ma'am, I can't hear your voice.
Musfira, 3 times I
Musfira,
have told you that
to
you have to select the
customization.
sprite from
I
here.
know.
Then what's the problem?
What am I asking that?
Ma'am,
How are you
Go to
coloring?
costumes. Go to costumes. Can you see here? Costume. Now did you understand how you got it?
ma'am,
Okay.
Can you make it green apple?
Wait. No. I am not doing anything. I'm stopping my sharing over here because I want to do a quiz session with you for 5 minutes. Okay?
ma'am, I can't hear you at all.
Wait.
Yes, ma'am.
Ma'am,
I
I
can
can hear you.
Ma'am, le.
I got 3.25.
It's coming a little voice.
Yes, nah. In laptop also it is coming very little voice.
Now can you hear me? How can you hear me? Everyone?
No.
Ma'am, can you speak in mic?
Yes, ma'am.
It's hardly 5 minutes are left. If I'll get the mic and I'll put it now, so my 5 minutes will be also gone. Okay. So next time.
How do you move the?
Yeah.
How do you move the?
No.
How do you
Leave scratch. Again, I'll do it next week. Have you understood about how to select a sprite, how to select a backdrop, how to?
Yes.
Okay, that much you know.
Ma'am, can I screen share and show you?
Next time when we meet, we will do a little bit of animation, coding with coding. I will teach you that. How to do that. Now, my quiz session is going to start. Every time we are going to have this. Every time, every computer lecture. Okay, computer class. I want to know how many of you know Khatija, come back, Khatija and Mariam.
Excel sheet.
Yes, Mariam even too. Okay.
Ma'am.
My first question. No, ma'am. My first question. Only ma'am will. Who invented computers? A simple question. Who invented computers?
Geometry Mendeleev.
What?
Okay.
We are doing computer
Mendeleev.
class and we don't even know who invented computers. Right? Okay. Look, wait. You lost, I won. Moment you're not answering, nobody's answering, so you lost. I won. I got 1 point. Next question.
Ma'am, what I answered?
Wait. My question to you. This question I'll have it in every computer class. Now, next is who invented mouse? Except for Zainab, others should know this because we have done this last time. Except for Zainab.
Newton. Right? Newton.
Newton. Who
Yes.
discovered laws of gravity, beta? He was in the field of science. Yeah. Second question also gone. I won. Okay. Now the third question.
I know.
Okay. Do you use no, you must be not using. You are very small, so I can understand. Have you seen WhatsApp? WhatsApp?
Yes.
What is the WhatsApp used for? What is the WhatsApp
It's
used for?
used
Amara will answer. Amara, go on. Amara has called her all cousins for the.
Send a message.
Amara, yeah, tell me.
Messages.
Okay, you can transfer messages, files, media. Okay, who made it? Who made it?
You made what?
Who invented it?
Ants.
Okay, so now your job is when we are meeting for the next class, get me the answers for the three. Who invented computers? Who invented mouse? Who invented WhatsApp? Okay. This question I'll ask you for every class, computer class. The GK question. Okay, along with Amir, tell me what is it. Amir? Okay, fine. We will end our session. Next computer class, we will talk more about Scratch. And I also want people, you kids to come out. Person who made Scratch. Who made the Scratch, okay? No, Mariam, I am not considering now, Mariam. You were not there in question answers round. Now I am not considering. Okay, now you have to get it in next session. Chalo, bye everyone. 3 questions. Get it. Every computer class will have a quiz session.
Okay, ma'am.
Ma'am, can I share my screen and show you my Scratch?
Do it fast, beta. Then I have to prepare myself for science session also.
I have done already.
Chalo.
Can I share screen?
Yeah. Show me fast. Bye, Amara.
Ma'am, but it is showing host has disabled participant.
Bye, ma'am.
Host has disabled participant screen sharing, it is telling.
Okay, wait.
I want to show.
Muskara says I want to see your Scratch. Can you show?
Amir, you can leave, beta.
Ma'am, you need to allow. You need to allow me to screen share.
You are allowed. I didn't disable you. Just see.
It's telling grade 2 Faraday screen share. Okay.
Start now.
No, it's still telling.
You are not allowed. You're not allowed.
Yes, it's still telling host disabled participant screen share again.
Wait. So let me try. But here it is. I have enabled beta. I don't know then what's the problem. Okay, do one thing. Send me a video on my personal number. Okay. Is it fine, Muspira? Okay, on my personal number. Fine. Amara, you can also open Scratch. Amir, you know Scratch?
Ma'am, after this now it's science. Now you will
Yeah,
do make us
science.
do science.
Science.
After science class, I will do the scratch and send Faraday group.
It's okay. You just have to open the Scratch. You have to select sprite and a backdrop. Okay?
They are also happy to learn scratch.
Okay, very nice. We'll do more next class. Chalo, bye. Should I leave now? We're
Bye.
meeting again at 12. Bye.
Bye bye.
Enjoyed today? Enjoyed, Amara?
Mhm.
Bye bye.
Bye.